Hi, let's make a turtle. Hmm, Let me tell you a little bit about turtles. Turtles can be found all over the world, and they're some of the world's oldest animals. A turtle can weigh over 1,000 pounds. No, I'm not calling you fat. No, don't worry about that. Okay, now to make your art rod, to make your little turtle, you'll need one art rod. You'll need 3 smaller rods, pick any color you'd like, and you'll need a whole bunch of little twisties. The next part is to take an art rod and make it into a circle shape and snap it together. And then we're going to take another small rod and put it along near the front of the turtle like this. So that's going to be the back. And we're going to put a twisty here and a twisty here. So let's start on this side and get a twisty, wrap it around and make an X shape like this and get your fingers in there and start twisting nice and tight. And when you get it nice and tight, you can just cut out the extra pieces and then do the same. Leave a little bit of a hole there. Do the same with the other side. Wrap it around, make an X shape and start twisting. Nice and tight. And then snap off the extra part. Now we're going to do the same with the bottom for making 2 more legs. So take an art rod, a small rod, and a twisty, just like we did on the other side. Make an X shape and start twisting. Getting it nice and tight. Snap off the extra pieces, get another twisty, and do the same thing here. Wrap it around, make an X shape, and start twisting. Snap off the extra part. Now we're going to make the legs. So all we have to do is, for each side, we're just going to push down. And on the inside part, we're going to push up to make the shell. And you can straighten out the legs if they start turning. Now the next part will be to make the spine and the face. So take another small rod. This time you're going to attach it to the front to make the face. So get a twisty and wrap it around. Make an X shape and start twisting. And then you're going to attach the back part to the back of the turtle. So we're going to wrap it around. It's going to be overlapping the 2 blue ones, and get a twisty and attach it to make the tail. So wrap it around, make an X shape, and cut off any extra pieces. So now this is going to be a little tricky because we're going to attach 3 small rods together. So we're going to push these 2 together, and we're going to take the spine and we're going to take one art rod and wrap it around, one twisty, and wrap it around all 3 art rods. Like that. And then twist them. And then cut off the extra amount. Now, what we can do is you can push up to give the turtle more of a shell. And for the head, we can lift that up a little bit. And for the tail, we can curve it around. Now, the next part would be to decorate your turtle. This is what I did with the turtle I have. These are the eyes that I put on. But we can look at other ways to decorate the turtles by looking at other examples and getting ideas. And we can use color markers or glitter glue or anything or any kind of marker for decorating your turtle. So here's some turtle examples. Look, you can see different ways you can decorate with little circle shapes for the shell or little pentagon shapes that are on the back, or other ways of coloring in for the fin or for the eyes. It's got like a little beak nose. But we'll look at ways to decorate it. And the final thing is, what are you going to do with your little turtle? Again, you could make it into a present for somebody. You could put it on your shelf and make a little zoo for your art rod animals. You could play little games, like little racing games with the turtles. But what I like to do best is to make a turtle hat. Yes, and walk around like I'm king of the world. Okay, have fun. Bye.